Hey guys, I hope you had a great spring break. As you can see, I'm looking a little scruffy. I feel like I need a haircut or something. I look different than the last time I made one of these. Anyways, so honors algebra. Let's run through what we're going to do this week. We're going to cover the Algebra 1 questions that I gave you before spring break. So I'm going to put a video out on the answers of those. So I need you to go back and check and make sure that you did those correctly. We're going to have another part 2 for those algebra questions, kind of just to get us spiraling and ready for the end of the year exam. And then we are going to dive into greatest common factor and factoring this week. So you'll have 2 sets of notes. I'm not sure if there's going to be any practice on the greatest common factor. I'll have to look into that. But I know there will be an Alex assignment on factoring for sure. The GCF is kind of just like a review, but the factoring is the big one. So this is something new that we haven't seen yet. You need to take that video. You need to take all of them seriously, but definitely take that one more seriously. Just so that we are on the same page, and reach out if you have any questions about that, okay? Yeah, this is the last quarter for you guys, and then you're on summer break and you'll be on your way. So let me know if you have any help, and hope you guys have a great week. Bye.